Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace, and if you're new here, make sure you click the red subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. So in today's video, I will be talking all about a DIY protein treatment. I gotta have to say, I don't think I'm gonna apply it on camera. I might include a shower video, but the lighting is going to be bad because my ring light is a little bit messed up, and I'm not going to carry my ring light all the way to the shower and all the way back. My ring light is going to be broken, so I might include some footage. But in today's video, we are going to talk about a DIY protein treatment to save you some coins. Benefits of doing a protein treatment is to repair your curls, improve the health of your hair, and to rebuild hair elasticity by strengthening your curl. And for today's DIY, we are going to use gelatin. And the main ingredient in gelatin is hydrolyzed protein. Hydrolyzed protein coats the hair shaft, repairing the damage on the outer layer. And hydrolyzed protein is also the main ingredient in the AFG protein treatment, so this will definitely save you some coins. It isn't as powerful as the AFG protein treatment, but it's super similar. It's like 80% similar to the protein treatment. But make sure you deep condition after this DIY protein treatment, because do not underestimate the power of protein. So what you will need for your DIY protein treatment is 1 cup of hot water, a bowl with cold water. 1 cup of hot water. If you're using gelatin powder, make sure you use the Knox one. That's the best one I know. And you're gonna use 1 packet. So the box comes in 3 packets, so you're gonna use 1. If you don't have the powder form, you can use the sheets form like I did. I could only find the sheets for this one, but I normally use the powder, but the sheets are good as well. So you're gonna use 3 to 4 sheets, which is compared to 1 packet. And how you're gonna activate these sheets is put the sheets in a bowl of cold water with ice, like super cold water, and leave it in for 5 to 10 minutes. And when you see it gets soggy, that's when you take it out, squeeze it, and put it in your cup of hot water. And after that, you're going to mix it until it completely dissolves. The sheet gelatin dissolves really quickly. The powder one kind of has clumps, but you're gonna stir on it. The clumps are all gone. And after that, you're going to put a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And after this, you're going to mix. Put it in some kind of application bottle. Do not put it in a spray bottle. Just put it in some kind of bottle which you can spray on your hair, like a bottle I will show you in a clip. And you're going to put that bottle in the refrigerator or the freezer to make it cool down. Now, I'm going to include a shower video, hopefully, where you can see before and after how I put it on my hair. I'm going to show you the after in that video. I'm not going to show you the after here because it's going to be messy and I have to film another video. So yeah. So that was my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I also created a skincare and beauty channel, so make sure you go subscribe to that channel to support me. I will be posting on there very soon. So subscribe to there. I will put the link in the description box and in the comment section. Subscribe. This will help me so much. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!